Remember life before ChatGPT? Writing everything from scratch, digging through dozens of tabs, decoding research papers, and spending hours summarizing documents no one wanted to read in the first place. It was slow and honestly exhausting. Then ChatGPT showed up, and suddenly everyone had this AI assistant that could write, explain, summarize, or brainstorm on demand. But most people still wonder, how does it actually work behind the scenes? In this video, we'll break down how ChatGPT thinks, learns, and generates answers to help make your everyday life simpler. And if you wish there were an AI tool that was even simpler to use and already had context of all your work, we'll also introduce you to ClickUp, which combines contextual AI with your projects and workflows right inside one workspace. Let's go. Under the hood, ChatGPT is powered by large language models, or LLMs, and neural networks. These LLMs are trained on huge datasets such as public web pages, directories like Wikipedia, existing AI chat conversations, and communities like Reddit. All of this gets processed through a transformer architecture that learns patterns, context, and relationships between words. That's why it can predict the next thing you're trying to say so well. Before LLM training even begins, all that text gets broken into tiny pieces called tokens, a process called tokenization, which the model can actually understand. Then comes the interesting part, reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. In this step, humans review answers, rank them, and teach the model which responses sound clearer and more helpful. That feedback becomes a reward system that shapes how ChatGPT talks. Of course, it's not perfect. ChatGPT doesn't always match search intent. It often relies on past training data, so it won't fetch you the latest information unless you specifically ask for it. It can also inherit biases from its sources. That's why editing and verifying responses still matter. But when you use it well, ChatGPT becomes a helpful assistant. You can use it to generate project docs, turn raw meeting notes into clean summaries, outline marketing campaigns, draft emails, debug code, or even translate code between languages. It's like having an always-on teammate who helps you think faster. But here's the thing. Even with ChatGPT, your workday can still be a mess. Although ChatGPT is great for ideas and writing, it wasn't built to understand your projects, your team, or your workflows, and that's where ClickUp Brain can help. ClickUp Brain is the world's most complete and contextual AI work assistant, the one that actually understands your tasks, docs, deadlines, and team context without lengthy prompting. Beyond just answering your questions like ChatGPT, it helps you get actual work done. Need to write a blog, draft a campaign brief, or fix that chaotic paragraph you typed at 2 a.m. when your brain had already checked out? Use ClickUp Brain as your writing assistant. It generates content that adapts to your tone, brand, and context. Give it a topic and a few keywords, and boom, you get a polished draft that doesn't sound like a robot. And if you've ever used ChatGPT and thought, great, now I have to format all of this, ClickUp Brain also saves you from that whole extra chore. It cleans up grammar, tightens long sentences, and formats everything automatically inside ClickUp Docs, including H1s, H2s, tables, the whole deal. And what about project execution? All those boring, repetitive tasks that sometimes take up 80% of our workday? Well, ClickUp's AI agents can help here. They monitor your workspace, answer questions based on real project context, and post automatic updates when key inputs and KPIs change. You can set custom agents or use pre-built ones to automate reminders, summaries, task routing, and routine check-ins. This way, your workflows move forward even when you're not actively managing them. And here's something that really sets ClickUp Brain apart. Unlike ChatGPT, you're not stuck with one AI model. You can pick the one that fits the job. If you need creativity or long-form thinking, you've got options like Claude Sonnet or Opus. Need accuracy for summaries or structured work? Switch to OpenAI O3 or O4 Mini. And when you need real horsepower, there's Gemini 2.5 Pro and Claude Haiku 4.5 right inside ClickUp. All of these models in one place inside your actual work. So why switch between tools when ClickUp Brain gives you ChatGPT and everything beyond it, all in one place? Make your workflow simpler, faster, and smarter. Switch to ClickUp Brain by signing up for free at clickup.com.